Wise Can't Add Recipient. Fix. Hi everyone, today I'll show you how to fix it when Wise can't add a recipient. Step 1. Verify your account. Make sure your Wise account is fully verified. Step 2. Check the recipient details. Double check the name, account number, IBAN, and SWIFT BIC. Step 3. Check currency and country. Ensure Wise supports sending money to the recipient's country and currency. Step 4. Clear app cache or restart. Close and reopen the Wise app or log out and back in. Step 5. Try a different device. Use the Wise website or another device if the app doesn't work. Step 6. Contact Wise support. If it still doesn't work, contact Wise support in the app with the recipient details. Tips: avoid special characters. New recipients may trigger checks and save error screenshots. And that's it. You now know how to fix it when Wise can't add a recipient.